Alright everybody, today I'm gonna come back to my video. Today I'm gonna build my dream PC using the Ryzen 5 7600X. Yeah, it's a beautiful Ryzen 5. Using the socket AM5. Yeah, and about the RAM, I use the 32 gigabytes T-Create. Yeah, look at the RAM. This is the 6000 mega transfer and the CL is 30. Yeah, pretty low, right? And I use the white one. Yeah, that's pretty dope. For the storage, I use the 4 terabyte total of the SSD Crucial, and the read speed is 5000 megahertz. Right? Damn. Okay, and about the graphic card, I use the RTX 4070 Super. Let me take this. Damn. Yeah, the RTX 4070 Super. Look at this dude. Damn. Pretty awesome, right? Yeah. And okay, so let's leave it to the side. What about the main board? The motherboard, I use the N7B650E from the NEXT. Wow, this is so cool. Damn it. Let's open this. Ooh, damn. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Imagine, let me put this out. Where's the, yeah. Imagine when you put the RAM on this main board. Look at this, the white one, put in the second slot and the fourth slot. That would be awesome, right? Pretty awesome. It's clean AF. Okay, let's build this.